Hello everyone, welcome back to our premium course. Today I will show you 3 different ways to create structural grid in Tekla Structural Designer. This is the mezzanine floor. Example, to model grid line. The grid line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A to E. The first method, open the Tekla Structural Designer, create the new project, model and construction. You can insert the wall above or below, 3 or 5 or 2, just input it. We do not focus about the wall. We want to show you how to create grid line only. Now I just input 3. Okay. Structure and click on the wall. Structural level 1. The grid line, the first method by using a rectangular wizard. Change grid line name. Show it in the level 1 and the structural base level. Next, the original location of the grid line is 0, 0. Next, the line style, use the dash dot. Check the structural grid line in ZWCAD 5.2, 4, 2.2, 2 and 4.55. Or you can type 2 multiply with 2. Next, irregular and in the y direction 4.55, 4.15 to 1.5, 4.15. To multiply with 4.15. Check again. 4.15, 2.0, 1.5, 0.7. Yeah, 2 multiply with 4.15 is correct. Finish. You can change the grid label by click on the label and change the grid line from the 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, A to 1. Modify the grid line H, A, B, B1, B2, C, D, E. Check it again. Correct. For the grid line 3, you can click on it, grid line 3, click, drag and drop. Yeah, use the same for the grid line 2. You can modify the grid line by click, drag and drop. Yes, complete. For the core wall, you can create by using the edit. Yes, model. Click on the grid line and click on the parallel quick to use the offset from one grid line to other grid line. You can modify the structural plan by placing the same with the grid line 3, or you can check 50. Okay, offset from the grid line 3, 50. Click, press F2, 0.5, enter. Okay, we use the same concept. And from the center to the center of the wall, check 2.1. Click on the grid line again. S2, 2.1. Enter. .85 from the grid line D. S2, 1.85. Enter. .25 parallel, press F2, 2.25. Click on the four grid line, so names none. You want to turn the label off. Okay, now we complete for the grid line. This is how we can create the grid line by using regular, irregular combined with the parallel quick for the core wall column, and for the other element like also can using the grid line by using parallel quick to help you model the structural grid line. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We will continue to the next method, create different structural grid line in Tekla Structural Designer. Thank you for your watching.